Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahona, and in today's video we are going to see some Blender models. So today we have 5 Blender models and let's see. Now I'm going to share screen and here is my Blender platform. Now I'm going to open the file. So let's first go with an anime character. So this is an anime character that I made. I named her Nozomi. And let's see. There we go. So this is my model. So she's a magician. She can do magic spells. And let's see the animation. Sorry, I'm just trying to zoom it. Okay, yeah. From the beginning we can see. So there we go. Now this is the model. Now the next model that we have, let's see. I'm not saving it because I already have it saved. So let's see the dinosaur model. I don't know the specific name for this dinosaur, but let's see. So there is no animation for this one, but this is like a Chinese dragon, let's say. Not a dragon actually, a dinosaur. So yeah, this is the second one. Moving on to the third one. We have a chess board. Okay, that's too big, I know. So this is a chessboard. It has no animation as of now, but yeah, I will try to make for this as well. Then let's move on to the next model. There we go. Then the next model that we have is, okay, then we have a building model. So there we go. Let's just read the 3D view. There we go. And that's all I wanted to show you, and thank you for watching this video.